If you are planning to buy an old tire, then please listen carefully. This could literally save your life. Most people don't realize that an expired tire is like a ticking time bomb. If you don't check it properly, the tire can burst while driving, and that can cost you not just money, but even your life. So how do you check it? Every tire has an expiry code written on it. For example, the tire I'm showing you has the number 3815 stamped on it. What does that mean? It means this tire was manufactured in the 38th week of 2015, and now it's 2025. That makes this tire almost 10 years old. No wonder it burst. This is something you should always check before buying any used tire. Every company prints this information on their tires, but very few people actually look at it. So remember, the next time you buy a secondhand tire, check the expiry code first. It might save you from a deadly accident.
ये नहीं बताता कि वो टायर भी ठीक होकर लगेगा, ये ट्रिक है कि आपको आसानी से समझ आ जाएगी कि आप टायर खरीदने के लिए आसानी हो जाएगी।